Hey guys, and welcome to Container Talk. Today we will be showing you how to use my trailer lock. It's quite simple. If you follow these steps, everything will be fine. We'll give you this key. This will unlock the padlock, like so. Alright, you can put the padlock key back in the chain. To undo this, very simple. The key fits in one way. You unlock it, you pull out the pin, this bottom drops, this goes on the top. Now, you need to put it in the toolbox. Open the toolbox. Now in the toolbox, I've provided any straps, all the stuff will go in there. There's a wheel brace, there's a moving blanket, there's a tarp. Also, if you have a circle 7-pin large connector, I've got you covered. This is just because my one's a square connector, so I've got that for you guys. Some rope, jockey straps. When you do drive it, please lock the toolbox. And that's all I have for you today, guys. Thanks for renting the trailer, and thanks for supporting the channel. But until next time, adios amigos.